This is going to blow your mind. Could your phone replace your wallet completely? Is cryptocurrency signaling the end of traditional money? Cryptocurrency, a term that sparks both excitement and skepticism, is reshaping how we think about money. But is it really a threat to the good old dollar, euro, or yen? Let's break it down. First, crypto offers advantages like faster transactions and lower fees, especially for international transfers. It operates 24/7, unlike traditional banks, and gives users more control over their assets without the need for intermediaries. However, challenges remain. Volatility in crypto markets is one. Just think about Bitcoin's wild price swings. Plus, regulatory questions and the environmental impact of mining cryptocurrencies add layers of complexity and concern. While it's true that more people and businesses are embracing digital currencies, the complete replacement of fiat by crypto isn't happening overnight. Traditional money still offers stability and widespread acceptance that cryptocurrencies are striving to achieve. So is cryptocurrency killing traditional money? Not quite yet, but it's definitely shaking things up. Stay tuned to see how this financial drama unfolds.